Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good and taking care of yourself. So, first of all, thank you very much for all the supports. Few students asked me regarding the placement, few students asked me regarding the data analyst career. So, in today's video, I am gonna tell you all the details regarding that. But before that, do subscribe, share. And I know views are in good position, but I also want you to subscribe so that whatever the future restrict detail I want to share with you, I can share with you and I can guide you how to handle all the things if you are a fresher in this particular field. So as you know, I am 6th unit. This is like I also made a dedicated video for that, and I have a very good news regarding, like, not a good news, a decent news related to the unit. I'm gonna tell you in any other video. But let's start the topic of today's video. One is the placement and another one is the career. इससे स्टार्ट करें पहले. चलो प्लेसमेंट से करते हैं. प्लेसमेंट्स, द डिटेल्स ऑफ द प्लेसमेंट, हाउ इज प्लेसमेंट गोइंग एंड ऑल द प्लेसमेंट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. So sorry guys, I am not right till now. I am not able to share with you any details. So sorry for that, because let me tell you a few details regarding the placement. Like there is 4 batches, back-to-back batches, and the problem is because Masai is sharing details one by one. If a person got any placement, they tell to us, and right now I don't have a details. You know, na detailed details like this percentage of student got placed in this particular form. Yeah, this percentage of student got placed in this particular domain. I don't have that kind of detail. I'm gathering all those details so that I can tell you in details how the placements are and how the environment of the placements are and how the students are getting placed, how much students are getting placed. Okay, so this is the one major problem right now I am facing, and because of the really hectic schedule from the Masai side, I am not able to search a lot because I have to do 2 or 3 conferences with my friends so that I can tell you the details. These all things I need to take care of. That's why I am not able to tell you any other details. But I will tell you one major thing. I asked with few members, placements are going decent because of the recession, and that's why the market demand of data analyst is also increasing. But with respect to that, the companies who are hiring 4 students at a time are now hiring only 1 or 2. This is the major problem, and Masai also told us that we right now we all are wanting that let's invite one company at a time so that you can get a better opportunity, and because Masai have to build a good relation with the company, na, because of the futuristic, they want a future connection with them, na, so they also trying to build up that. So yeah, placement are going decent, and I am gonna after in next month will be a part of placement. I am hoping so, because right now it's the end of I think 6th unit. So yeah, these all things are these all details are related to the placement. Now the second question, which I think is very important for those who are fresher in terms of the entire data analyst thing. So I just want to tell you guys, doesn't matter whatever background you have, whatever degree you are getting or going to get in upcoming months, it's depend on your thinking. I personally feel that, because if I tell you about myself, I am good in presentation, I have good knowledge in analytics, so that's why I choose data analyst. Yeah, in initial days I don't know the correct name of this particular field, but with the years I got to know that there is data analyst field which I can work with. You have to think with respect to that particular point, and doesn't matter if you don't know something, you have to work hard and you will get the knowledge, whatever knowledge that particular thing needs. But with respect to that, you have to be that much capable that you can understand each and every performing factor with respect to that particular field, because as you all know, we have a highest population in youth, and with respect to that, the competition is huge. So you have to take care of all the scenarios, all the environment and scenarios. So you have to take care of that. I am not saying, if I tell you about example, if a student who did a BTech then MBA, and is trying to build up a career in data analyst field, what do you think is a good sign of that person, or a person who only just completed a BSc honors and trying to achieve whatever he wanted or she wanted through data analyst, is a good sign of a person? Whatever you like, a person who did a BTech and then MBA and is trying, you know the route, you know the, like, it's a very big change he want in his life or she want in her life. So these all things you need to take care of. If you think I am a BSc and BCom guy, how is data analyst? Data analyst is a field, is a good field and decent field, and you have to search like what are the things data analysts need. You have to good with the analytical knowledge, you have to good with statistical knowledge, you have to good like in the all the scenarios you have to create. Like you have a roughly data, you have to clean it, you have to make analysis like particular visualization insights. Those are the things really matter in your job, in your future. So you need to take care of that. I am just saying, don't care of whatever background you are. If you think you are capable, you have the capacity, you have the entire skills, soft is, I am talking about soft skills. The hardened skill you will learn, but the soft skill like the visualization, you are good in presentation, come here. I if I tell you about mine, I am good in presentation. In my college I was a zonal level winner with respect to those events. So I tried, and yeah, it's up to you. If you are like let so अगर हम डोमेन वाइज बात करें या बैकग्राउंड वाइज बात करें तो देखो, बीकॉम हो, बीएससी हो, बीटेक हो, या वॉट एवर बैकग्राउंड यू हैव, द डिटेल्स आई given to you is you have to follow the soft skills which are necessary in this particular field. The other skills you will learn, so no need to take care of worry about that. Okay, बाकी डिटेल्स अगर आप चाहते हैं कि क्या like if other things any other difficulty you are facing, go on my Instagram, just drop a message there regarding the problem you are facing. I will definitely reach back to you या get back to you and we will discuss the things later. Okay, feel कि या मैं यहाँ लैग कर रहा हूँ, क्या ये चीज़ें मुझे अच्छा डेटा एनालिस्ट बनाएंगी, तो यू कैन कनेक्ट टू मी डायरेक्टली, आई विल हेल्प यू. एंड अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन डेफिनेटली डिस्कस टू मी. ओके, बाकी अभी हम क्या, अभी देखो प्लेसमेंट रिलेटेड मैंने आपको बता दिया कि या वेन एवर आई गेट या जब भी मुझे अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, वेन एवर आई गेट अ गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड द प्लेसमेंट, आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर विथ यू. Okay, so no need to worry regarding that, and thank you for asking me again and again, because मैं भी थोड़ा, जब आप पूछते हो तो मैं भी फिर फ़ोन करता हूँ और कहता हूँ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ. तो अभी क्या है ना, मेरे को भी एक दो डिटेल्स मिल जाए. अभी मैं आपको एक दो डिटेल्स दूँ तो दैट्स नॉट अ फेयर कॉल फॉर माई साइड ना. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम वेटिंग. वंस आई गेट अ प्लेसमेंट डिटेल ऑफ 30 और 50 स्टूडेंट, दैट्स अ पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट केस फॉर मी कि या 30 स्टूडेंट और 50 स्टूडेंट में से द स्टूडेंट, और अगर लाइक अगर पॉसिबल हुआ, सो आई विल डेफिनेटली इन्वाइट आर एलुमिनी, और अगर मेरे दोस्त का किसी का होता है, आई विल डेफिनेटली इन्वाइट दोज फ्रेंड्स एज वेल, सो दैट यू कैन या गुड, यू कैन गेट अ गुड डिटेल रिगार्डिंग द करियर. ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड यार, एक ही रिक्वेस्ट मेरी आपसे रहती है, बाकी आप मुझसे जो रिक्वेस्ट करनी करो, बस एक रिक्वेस्ट मेरी रहती है, डू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर एंड लाइक, सो दैट एक अच्छा कनेक्शन मेरा बने आप सभी के साथ, और ये वीडियो अच्छा लाइक जो नीडी पर्सन है उन तक पहुँचे. सो यार, जैसा आपको ये करना है, बाकी वॉट एवर यू फील, जस्ट आस्क टू मी. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड